Hello and welcome to a brief session on how to generate reports from the STAR application. My name is Paul and I'll be walking you through this demonstration. In order to generate reports from the STAR system, log on to the system, select the Reports menu, and you're presented with a drop-down menu of about 6 reports. These are the typical and standard reports that are available for to be generated out of the STAR system. To start with, we'll talk about how to generate the SSMD professional CV, then the promotion CV, and the teaching dossier. Those tend to be the 3 most generated reports and CVs that you can produce from the system. So to click on the professional CV, you're presented with some options about generating these reports. You can include your professional title in the header. You can include all of your maintenance of certification activities. You can change the default sorting for publications, presentations, and grants. The default would be newest to oldest, and if you click on this selection, it will reverse that order and list them oldest to newest. You can also group your presentations by either geographic scope, being international, local, regional, or other, or activity type, which would be scientific, research, community outreach, and continuing medical education. So you can select the options that you'd like. I'm going to actually include the first 2 as an example. You can also limit the date range for generating these reports. So if I were to select a date, then the CV that's generated will only include activities from these date ranges. I'm going to turn that off just to include everything. Click Generate Report. And then once this blue hyperlink shows up, you're able to access this report. I'm going to open it. It should open up in Microsoft Word. And in Word, you're able to scroll through the report, through the CV. If you don't see this navigation panel, a quick tip in Microsoft Word is to select the view from the ribbon bar and click on this navigation pane. The navigation pane allows you to very quickly jump through. It's almost like a table of contents. Everywhere there's a header defined, level 1 or level 2 header, you're able to jump directly to that system and that section of the report. If we go back to the personal summary, and then the very top. So this report, you can see, is 26 pages, and it has everything that that is defined to be set up in the professional CV. Moving on to the promotion CV, there are less options for generating it, and in fact, the promotion CV just doesn't really have any options for generating the report, and it's generated exactly the same way. You're able to scroll again through the navigation panel. The teaching dossier would be generated exactly the same way. You're able to click on Generate Report. Looking at the other options here, there is the faculty assessment summary, the Department of Psychiatry, the MBR report, obviously only relevant if you're in psychiatry. There's also a biosketch. The biosketch report would be the biosketch from your personal data that you're able to generate as a quick little sample, a quick little report, basically 1 page that lists your 1 or 2 pages of your biosketch. That, in a nutshell, is how to generate reports. Have a good day.